Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to taught you what is attitude, characteristic of attitude and component of attitude. What is attitude? Attitude are also known as frames of reference. They provide the background against which facts and events are viewed. Attitude is the manner, disposition, feeling and position about a person or thing, tendency or orientation, especially in a mind. It refers to our opinion, beliefs, and feeling about aspects of our environment. Attitude is the mixture of beliefs and feeling that the people have about situations, specific ideas, and other people. In simple word, attitude is an individual point of view or individual way of looking at something. To be more specific, an attitude may be defined as a mental state of an individual which prepare him to react or make him behave in a particular predetermined way. It is actual acquired feeling. Characteristic of attitude. According to the first point, attitude is predisposition of purpose. It means that interest or opinion of a person to assess the same object in the favorable or unfavorable manner. Second point is attitude are different from values. Values are ideals, whereas attitudes are narrow. They are just feelings. Third point is attitude are evaluative statement. It means that either favorable or unfavorable concern the objects, peoples or events. Fourth point is attitude influence human behavior. A positive attitude toward a thing will influence human behavior toward the things. Fifth point, attitude have intensity. It refers to the strength of the affective component. For example, we may dislike an individual, but the extent of our disliking would determine the intensity of our attitude toward the person. Component of attitude. There are three components. First is cognitive component, second is affective component, and third is behavioral component. First component is cognitive. It consists of value, belief, and other information that a person may have faith in. For example, quality of sincere heart is a faith or value statement that a manager may have. Second component is affective. It is associated with individual feelings about other person which may be positive, neutral or negative. For example, I don't like Rohit because he is not honest, or I like Rohit because he is sincere. It is an expression of feeling about a person, objective or a situations. Third component is behavioral. It is associated with impact of various conditions or situations that led to people behavior based on cognitive and affective components. For example, I don't like Rohit because he is not honest is an affective component. Would like disassociate myself with him is a behavioral component and therefore I would avoid Rohit. Cognitive and affective component cannot be seen. Only the behavioral component can be seen. Former is the important because it is a base for the formation of attitude. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel.